Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're stopping by for the first time, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome. I really appreciate all the love. I really appreciate everything. Thank you for making my YouTube journey so far a wonderful and amazing one. Okay, so today's video I'm going to be doing a quick makeup tutorial on myself. So it's a makeup that can pass up for work, for church, for a casual outing, just something simple, something nice, and something classic. So just join me and enjoy the ride while I take you on it. Thank you. So first of all, wipes is something you need. So I'm just going to be cleansing my face to take away all the dirt. So I'm also going to be adding a little bit of my Ghanaian micellar cleansing water. Okay, so my spray, so I'm using this green. Then go further with my serum. So I'm using my serum from Dr. Rush. Into my center fill. So next up, I'm going to be using a little bit of my sunscreen, that is from Cosrx. This is going to be my primer. You mustn't do the whole serious priming, mattifying, sweat blocking stuff and all that. So I'm just going to be priming my T-zone areas. I'll be using my Dear Backstage foundation, face and body foundation, in the shade 5W. So this shade has like a little. I'm going to be using my Kiss Beauty spray before I blend. Usually after I apply my foundation, I just take my spray, concealer from Dior. Okay. Shade 02 Cape Town. So it has a white and yellowish on it. So I'm just going to be using one layer of it. In the shade Ginger. In the shade Warm. So I'm going to be using this for my entire face. And the brush I'll be using is my powder brush from Beauties. I'm going to be going into my, sorry guys, I can't raise the palette up, my V Beauty palette to contour. I'm using the shade Maroon and Chestnut. contouring my nose. I'm going to be using chestnuts and maroon again for the beginning part of my contour. I'm going to do my reverse contour on my nose and also big. Yeah, so guys, I did my brows off camera. I have a brow tutorial on my YouTube channel, so please just go and watch it over there. So I'm just going to jump into my eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, I'm not going to be doing anything too much or too serious, so I'm just going to be using my leftover concealer. I'm going to be blending it on my eyelid. Yeah, so I'm just going to tap. So you want to blend in a rotational mode, just so you don't leave harsh line behind while blending or while applying palette and my powder palette. So I'm just going to be going into this shade to further give this dust off all the excess baking powder. I'm going to be using my normal face powder for that. So I'm just going to dust off all the excess powder. I'm going to be using my TM Essential Cheek Glaze in the shade Headline. So I'm just going to be taking a little bit like this. So I'm going to be using this glow in the shade Unapologetic. Just to... So I'm going to be going into my normal beauty. So guys, this is the finished look of our easy to wear makeup. So I hope you guys enjoyed every bit of it. I'm going to be leaving the product description, the products in my description box, so feel free to ask me questions. Feel free to tell me what video you want me to shoot next. I would love and appreciate it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please share my videos, it might be helpful to someone on your contact. Subscribe guys, we are trying to hit 1,000k subscribers before the month of April. Guys, we can do it with your love and with the love of people around you. So I will see you in my next video. Bye.